So today I'm going to be showing you how to use DS4Windows to connect your PS4 or PS5 controller to your computer. So if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like. So let's get into it. So for starters, you're going to go and open up Chrome and search DS4Windows. I'll have this link down in the description if you need it. Then you're going to download the software. After the download is complete, open the download section and unzip the file. After, you're going to open up DS4Windows app. Now you're going to set it up. Click on these options I'm clicking on. If you want to connect PS3 or Xbox controller, tick those options. And now select the install. After installing this, you can skip the steps 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and click finished. After this, you'll have the app set up. Now you're going to put your controller into pairing mode by clicking the PS button and the share button. Now on your computer, go to the settings and click wireless controller. It might not appear at first, but give it a bit of time and it will appear for certain. Click on it to connect, and your controller lights should stop blinking, and after that the application will recognize your controller. And there you have it, how to connect your PS4 or PS5 controller to your Windows PC. See you in the next one.